Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be unboxing, tada, my new ring light, and I will also be sharing information about this. I will also be testing this out. So if you guys are interested, stick around because I'm here to pass it on. I super duper love my new ring light. We got this through Shopee. I'll just place the link at the description box. And guys, it is super duper affordable, 18 inches already. If you want to know my home studio setup, I did a separate vlog on it. I'll just place the card right here so that you can check it out. Obviously, I've made some changes now because my Keylight is now an 18-inch ring light, so I transferred my Yongno light here at the side. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, if you want some help with your home studio setup, feel free to drop a comment down below. So I hope this video helps. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Bye!